just make the damn sale. Have you ever found yourself in this position? This is a really good question from a good friend of mine, Zora, who is a training development manager for a large multinational in Europe. And the question is this: sometimes as professional salespersons, we're caught in that situation where on one hand, we've got the corporation, my manager, pressure, make a sale, or the pressure comes from internal. I need to make a sale. And then you've got the needs on the other hand. And so as a young advisor, I certainly was caught in that situation where, I wasn't doing as well as I could have done. The income wasn't there, and I had fewer appointments, and therefore internally I put more pressure on myself in those appointments. And in honesty, I probably put more pressure on the customer to buy. Sometimes I was successful in the short term, but often those people would cancel later on because they didn't have the need. And so what you have to understand is that if you're selling an intangible product, if you're a professional salesperson, there's a lot of trust that's required. And so you need to invite people into a process and realize that if you spend the time to develop the relationship, then what happens is your customer becomes a client. And a client is one who sticks with you when things change. A client is one who leads you to other people. A client is someone who buys from you more than once. So there are those pressures that either come externally or internally to make the sale. All I can say to you is do your job. Walk the process with them, build trust with them, and eventually they'll come on side with you. I hope this makes sense to you. Hi there, my name is James Heidema. Do you need a coach? Well, if you're a professional salesperson, if you are a professional sales manager, if you are a leader or director of a sales team, then I'm the guy. I've got a depth of experience. Check me out. Visit my website at jamesheidemaconsulting.com or email me directly at jimheidema@me.com. I look forward to hearing from you because I'm helping many people just like you.